Oh, hello. It's just emailing my car salesman here. I want to welcome you back to another Fireside Chat here at Jim Wernig Chevrolet. Last time we talked about the little tips and tricks on how to help you get the most out of your trade. And today, I'd like to discuss submitting online inquiries. As we all know, the majority of our customers shop online for weeks, if not months, before buying their new vehicle. It can be a long and tedious process sorting through so many choices. But when you find the right one and your heart just skips a beat, and you finally decide to swipe right, you'll either call the dealership or submit an online inquiry. Here, let me show you just a few different ways to submit an inquiry. If you go to CarGurus.com, for example, and you finally find the vehicle that you're most interested in, click into it for more information. If you scroll down just a bit, you can see additional information including the price, the VIN number, the mileage, and the drive type. Scroll down a little bit farther and you'll find the dealership description. If this is the vehicle that you're sure is for you, then scroll back up and fill out the contact dealer information, where you can put in your first name, your last name, an email address, and a phone number. You can also add additional comments. And some helpful notes to include could be your purchase time frame, if you have a trade-in for us to consider, or what day you might be available for a test drive, and when the best time to call you might be. Several of the other car shopping sites have very similar submission processes. After clicking into the vehicle and reviewing the information, just fill out your contact information and click Submit. And please, don't forget, here at Jim Wernig Chevrolet, we have real live human beings that answer all of the incoming leads. So please provide accurate contact information to help us help you. That way, we can provide personalized responses and properly answer your questions. If you submit a vehicle inquiry to us and have not yet received a response, make sure to check your spam folder because sometimes filtering can be a bit aggressive. It would behoove you to respond by email or phone to let us know your interest level on the vehicle. Some customers are ready to buy that same day, while others are just starting their journey in the car shopping experience. We never want to assume our customers' interest level in a vehicle, but we would also hate to be a bother. Even if you're in the beginning stages of looking for a vehicle, let us know so we don't call or email you daily. We can simply update you from time to time about inventory changes and if we've received anything that meets your wants or needs. Perhaps you're ready to buy this week, and that's great. Please make sure to provide a phone number so that we can reach out to you promptly. Until next time, even if you push the envelope, it's still stationary.
We hope that you're enjoying these videos as much as we are. If you are, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. Is there a topic that you'd like to see us cover? Let us know in the comments down below. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss an episode.